Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am Dr. Goat. Today I'm going to be trying to do a point of view video of my 2012 Subaru WRX Hatchback in the snow. So they're calling for, or at least they were, I haven't looked in a while, but the Weather Channel was calling for about a foot of snow throughout last night and today. I'd say we've gotten about 5 inches so far. Of course, I plow snow, so I don't really get to do a whole lot of driving, you know, as far as like this, to be able to record a video when the roads are their worst, because I'm out plowing at that time. But I'm sure by my house at least that the roads may not have even been touched by now. And that being said, even this is still pretty crappy. It's been wet, heavy snow. And I don't think I mentioned it, but right now I still have all-season tires on the car. I've driven in the snow a few times with it, so I've gotten a little more comfortable with it, but snow tires would definitely be ideal. Trust people on this hill, so clearly had a tough time so far today, scraping right down on the road. Slip in there, not bad. Roads really honestly aren't terrible. I mean, they're not I was honestly hoping for the roads to be completely covered. That way you guys could get a real sense of what this thing will do. That was my dad, in case you were wondering. See, I'm all for people driving cautiously, but some people just take it to an extreme that honestly ends up making it more, I would say, you can judge me on this if you want, but makes it more dangerous for everybody. These roads have been hit yet. I would think they would, but on a typical snow, you never know when they're gonna get plowed. And this road sucks even in the winter. Or in the winter, geez. Of course it sucks in the winter. But this road sucks all year round. Full of potholes. It's just a bumpy road to begin with, and yeah. actual road that my house is on, if that road has been plowed, I will be extremely surprised. I was a bit surprised with this, but I will really be surprised at that. And it has not been plowed. It honestly doesn't seem that bad though. Must have just gotten enough people to drive over it. Hopefully this guy doesn't pull out in front of me. Wow, look at that branch. Holy cow. Roads weren't as bad as I was expecting, but hey, it is the middle of the day after all. I just realized this video is going to be posting on Christmas, so I hope you guys had a great Christmas, and hopefully this new year will be great for you. If you guys enjoyed the video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what else you want to see of this car. And as always, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.